Welcome to Trade Pro. I have the most profitable trading strategy I've shown on the channel so far here in this video, and I'm going to test it 100 times in a row so you can see for yourself. This strategy combines 3 indicators plus hidden divergences. So I'm going to go over the strategy, how it works, and then do the 100 tests. The indicators needed for this strategy are 200 EMA, RSI, and Stochastic indicator. So the first thing is very simple. The 200 EMA just acts as a basic trend filter. So you can only take long positions when price is above the 200 EMA. You can only take short positions when price is below the 200 EMA. The RSI is going to be used for spotting the hidden divergences. All right. And I'm going to go into some examples and show you how to do that in just a sec. And then the stochastic is the entry indicator. So it's going to give you the actual entry signals after you have found the divergences with the RSI and identified the trend with the 200 EMA. All right. So let's go in and show a few examples before I get into the 100 tests. So first thing, we're going to spot some hidden divergence before we can ever think about taking any entry with the stochastics. So let's look. We have higher lows on price. So we're going to be comparing the lows on the RSI to see if we get any hidden divergence. So low here makes this low. Low here makes this low on RSI. Then we get this higher low on price, but a lower low on the RSI this time. So that's a hidden divergence. And you can draw it in so you can just be sure of yourself that you've actually spotted a hidden divergence. Higher low on price, lower low on RSI. So once you've spotted this hidden bullish divergence, then you know that you're looking for the next cross up on the stochastic to take a long entry. All right, so 200 EMA is also agreeing here, which you need to make sure of. Price is above the 200 EMA, and we have a cross up on the stochastic right here. So this candle is the buy entry candle. So you're going to take your buy on that candle. Stop loss goes just below that nearest swing low, and you're going to target 2 times the risk for the profit target. All right, so let's go to another example now. So when you're looking for hidden divergences, what you can do is take a horizontal line and identify the low on the RSI. So now that we have this low here, you can put in a horizontal line on the low of this RSI, okay? So what you need to wait for is the RSI to go lower than that point and cross below it. So you don't even need to really look at price until you see the hidden divergence happening. Okay, so once we get that cross below this line, you can take a look up at price and say, hey, is that a higher low on price? And for this instance, it's right here when it crosses down. It makes a new low on RSI, and it is higher than this low, so that's another instance of hidden divergence. So higher low on price, but RSI makes a new low. So you're going to be looking for that next cross up on the stochastic for your entry for a long. And on this one, your entry is right here with that cross up on the stochastics. Stop loss right below that nearest swing low, and targeting 2 times the risk for the profit target once again. Okay, so strategy is pretty simple. You just need to make sure that you know how to identify hidden divergence, hidden bearish and hidden bullish divergences for shorting and longing. All right, so if you need any help on identifying hidden divergence, I have some other videos on hidden divergence, and I'm sure there's tons of videos online as well about identifying hidden divergence. But it's a very important part of the strategy, so make sure that you know how to identify hidden divergence if you're going to attempt to trade with this strategy. All right, so I think that's enough of explaining the strategy. It's pretty simple once you get the hang of things, but once you do master the strategy, it's highly profitable, and you can make adjustments to this to make it even better. So let's get into the 100 tests and just prove the point of how good this strategy performs. All right, let's go. The results are in after 100 back-tested trades, but before I get into the results, you need to subscribe if you're not subscribed. You need to like the video, and you need to leave a comment saying anything, because I'm putting in the hours on these videos, giving some good information, and I'd appreciate that. So thank you very much. But back to the results. 100 total trades with a 1-to-2 risk-reward ratio, which took 6 months of price data to find the 100 signals on a 30-minute chart. There were 54 winners, 46 losses, win percentage 54%. Fantastic for a 1-to-2 risk-reward ratio, and the best by a good margin shown on this channel so far. The max losses in a row, 4. Max wins in a row, 4. So it has a low max loss rate as well. The gain on the account, 62% over a series of 100 trades. Fantastic result out of this strategy. So what I want to talk about is people who see videos like this and then go out and just start trading on a live money account. You will never succeed at trading if that is how you do things. You already have failed before you even got started, okay? Because you have already shown that you're not willing to put in any work and do your own thinking. And that is the sign of a failure when it comes to the trading industry. You need to be willing to put in more work than 99% of people. So you better be putting in at least as much work as I put in, which is a whole lot more than you will ever see on this channel because of the years and years of work that I did to actually be able to become profitable in these markets. So if you're not willing to go out and test thousands and thousands and thousands of times, you're not going to make it. If you're not willing to just put in hours and hours and hours and hours of hard work on the charts, trying different things out, you're not going to make it. Just think about who you're up against in the markets. All right? You need to outwork those people, or at least work as hard as those people who are beating you currently. If you're not going to do that, or you're not willing to do that, you're not going to get there ever. All right? So just think about that. And I know a lot of people won't listen and they probably will go out and trade this on their live accounts, but you will continue to fail. I can guarantee you that. So just with that out of the way, hopefully that is a good reminder to some people to not do that. Don't be that person, because it's not going to help you. Even if you think it is, it's not a good idea. So yeah, this strategy, fantastic results, best one I've shown so far. And it's just comes with adding in those extra layers to a strategy. So adding in the hidden divergence to a normal indicator-based strategy really takes things to the next level. And this is kind of a peek in, or a nice taste of what it's like to have some really nice confluence between indicators and strategy on the charts. So don't have too much more to say about this. I think that this is pretty good as it stands, but that if you added in some higher time frame trend confirmation, you could probably improve this even further. Hint, hint. But I haven't made the higher time frame confirmation videos yet, but that will be coming down the line. Anyway, once again, don't forget to subscribe and like the video, comment. But I think that's all I have to say here. Thanks for watching. I hope this helped some people out there, and hope you enjoyed the video, if not anything else. Have a fantastic day. Thanks for watching.